Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about an essential tool for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike, the socket wrench. We'll cover its parts, types, and the different kinds of socket you can use. Let's dive in.
What is a socket wrench? A socket wrench is also called a ratchet. It is a hand tool designed to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Its main advantage: it allows you to work quickly and efficiently without lifting the tool off the fastener.
Handle. The handle is the part you grip to apply force.
Rigid mechanism allows the tool to rotate in one direction and reset in the other.
Drive. The square end where you attach socket. Drives come in various sizes like 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. It's depending on the job.
Now, let's talk about sockets. Sockets are interchangeable attachments that fit onto the wrench. The main types include shallow sockets, great for tight space with limited depth.
Deep sockets, perfect for bolts that extended farther out.
Impact sockets. Designed for use with power tools. They build tougher to handle high torque.
Specialty sockets like spark plug sockets tailored for specific tasks.
Socket wrenches come in different types for various applications. For example, standard ratchet wrench, perfect for general use.
Flex head rigid, great for hard to reach areas.
Breaker bar, provides extra leverage for stubborn bolts.
Torque wrench, ensure precise tightening to avoid over-tightening.
When choosing a socket and wrench, consider the size of the fastener, the workspace, and whether you'll need extra torque or precision. Matching the right tool to the job makes all the difference.
And there you have it, a quick overview of a socket wrench. It's part of type and different kind of socket. Always remember, using the right tools not only make your work easier, but also ensure safety efficiency. Thank you for watching and happy wrenching.